In this tutorial we create events table. Events DB you set up in project properties. You can set up SQLite or you can set up any other database. We already set up some tags. You can see in alarms we set up and speed. Let's create new screen. First we have to create navigation to the screen, and we, for this purposes, remove some button from our group object header and let's duplicate it. And let's create one other button for return button properties. And now let's upload some images for our buttons. This image event for event button and this image return for calling previous screen. And let's place these images on corresponding buttons and rename them. For example, this group of object event button and call events table, and this group of object return button. Let's bind image to our image we uploaded, return, and button call previous screen. We use system properties for this purpose. And let's place all buttons on our navigation header bar, and let's place this buttons inside our group. For this purpose we drag and drop our group buttons over the header group name. Let's check. Yes, it's placed. And now we have applied changes for all headers in our project and copy our header on events screen. Let's check. You can see it works. All buttons navigate through our project. And let's place event log on the screen events. You can set up events. We change name to remove white space because we use this events log on our script, and we use default colors for our events. And let's change width to make it wider. And let's see, you can change width dynamically by using our ID and stretch columns during runtime simulation. You can see it's all placed, all columns placed through all widths of our event log. You can acknowledge, delete all events and change from time to time and priority. Also, you can add acknowledge time column to demonstrate when this event is acknowledged. Let's set up width and let's check. Let's simulate some event. For example, we change speed to our alarm value, and you can see acknowledge time when we acknowledge this event. Let's change speed back and you can see normal condition of our event. You can demonstrate only active state. For example, this state of this tag is normal, so we demonstrate only normal state. You can change this state dynamically. Let's create for this tag active state boolean type, and let's create some graphical object to control this tag. We use for this properties checkbox and set up collections. We don't need one collection, only active state choosing. And let's stretch. Let's try to change width. No, it's not very good. So we have to beneath height and let's change this. Let's place below the table, and let's create tag. Let's create script to edit condition of events log table. Let's name it active state change and screen type. Choose the screen type and on data change. Let's choose property only active state and bind it to the tag active state. Compile this script and let's bind the script to the screen events. And now let's check this. When we check, it demonstrates only active events. When we uncheck, it demonstrates only all events. Let's imitate some other alarms so we can see. And let's check, and it demonstrates not only active states of text events. And check. Let's change color. We don't want it will be yellow, we want to be green. So the priority when the events become green, it's from 500 to 1000. So we change all priority of our alarm events and let's check. Yes, it's green now. And let's demonstrate only active states. Let's uncheck active state and you can see it works. Thank you for watching.